Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Jeep Renegade cabin air filter. Start by opening the glove box and removing its contents, then release the stops to lower it fully. Remove the filter cover and slide out the old filter while noting airflow direction. Clean the housing from dust and debris with a cloth. Insert the new filter with the arrow pointing inward, replace the cover, lift the glove box, and test the blower. Before you begin, make sure the blower is off and the key is out. Open the glove box and depress the side stops to lower it completely. Locate and release the filter cover clips or screws, then slide the old filter out slowly to prevent dust from falling into the housing. Inspect the cavity and vacuum if needed. Keep track of any clips and set them aside for reassembly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help me make more simple car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable comfort that matches DIY grit. I wear them while working on my Jeep, and they hold up to grease and cold. Check the description for the link and more deals. Now let's get back to the video. Check the new filter for the airflow arrow and orient it toward the cabin before installation. Gently slide the filter into the slot, making sure it seats evenly along the edges and forms a snug seal. Reinstall the cover, secure any clips or screws, and lift the glove box back into its stopping position. Turn on the blower to confirm improved airflow and listen for abnormal noise that might indicate misalignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.